Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring live data and your brokerage connection are active. Without real-time ticks, you cannot day trade reliably. Once done, pick your intraday time frame. 1 minute for scalps, 5 minutes for active trades, then load a trade ideas screener template like momentum or gap. You should immediately set filters for price, volume, and float. These first actionable steps narrow thousands of symbols into a focused watch list you can scan every market minute. Next, refine the screener by layering filters and alert logic so it only surfaces trades that meet your plan. Make sure to require volume spikes, 200% or greater, and minimum price moves, for example 3%, to avoid noise. Once these are set, combine trade signals, VWAP retests, RSI range, and a short moving average cross to confirm momentum. Then program instant alerts. When a symbol hits all conditions, you get a pop-up and sound, so you can size and execute quickly. Finally, execute with a disciplined order plan. Use limit or immediate or cancel orders, set stops and targets before entering, and size positions to risk a fixed percent of your account. After the trade, log entry, stop, target, and result so you can iterate and improve. If you encounter issues where alerts stop firing, troubleshoot by verifying your data feed, reloading the trade ideas session, and reauthorizing the brokerage API. That simple check fixes most real-time alert failures and keeps your day trading running.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.